Hi friends, welcome to today's tutorial on how to recover your KRA PIN password. In case you've forgotten your password, this is how you recover it. Number one, go to Google and search www.itax.kra.go.ke and search. This one will direct you to the homepage of KRA. Like that. Click and search. Good. It's loading. Good. As you can see, it has directed you to the homepage of KRA. That is where you sign in so that you can do your own transaction. Now, if you've forgotten your own password, what do? This is where you'll be asked to key in your KRA PIN. You see? Now enter your KRA PIN. Like for me, let me enter mine. Where is this number? Just to show you how it's done. Now click. Then after keying in, press continue. Now, in order for you to sign in, you must key in the password. But if you've forgotten your password, what do? Now, this is what I want to show you how to do it. You scroll down. Scroll down. You can see here it's written, forgot password, unlock account. Click that one. Tap that one. You see, after you have tapped, it directs you this place. You are told to enter your KRA PIN. As you can see, I've keyed mine. Then this security stamp, ensure you put it here. As you can see now, for me, I've been asked 117 plus 15. 117 plus 15 is what? Help me with that calculator. 117 15 is 132. Good. 132. You key in the 132 and you click submit. As you can see, they have just given you a message that your password have already been recovered and it has been sent to your email or the Gmail you used to sign in. So let's go to the email. We see if it's there. Good. Let me open my email. Good. This is my Gmail. You can see they have already refreshed. They have already sent the message. The message is here. Dear taxpayer, your KRA what password is there. So I'll find it. Now I can go back and key in my KRA PIN and my password. Then I can log in and I can file my own return. It is as simple as that. If you don't know your password or you've forgotten, give it a try now. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe below for notifications whenever we have a new video. And if you have any question, ask in the comments section below and I'll be there to give instant answer. Thank you. See you in my next video.